I am Teacher Blessing Otabo. You are welcome to Infocratic. Some people argue that AI will take the jobs of teachers, but this is wrong. Teaching is not only about passing knowledge. It is about guiding, mentoring, and shaping character. AI may deliver lessons, but it cannot show empathy, provide discipline, or inspire learners the way a teacher does. No technology can replace the human bond between teacher and student. Because education is more than information, it is transformation. AI is not a rival to teachers, but a partner. It reduces workload by handling tasks like grading, data analysis, and instant feedback. This frees teachers to focus on mentoring, creativity, and personal interaction. While AI offers speed and efficiency, it lacks the moral and emotional strength that teachers bring. The real strength of AI is to empower teachers, not to replace them, ensuring that education becomes richer, faster, and more effective. With AI, teachers can give learners more personalized experiences. AI adapts lessons to individual pace, provides practice, and tracks progress instantly. Yet, it is the teacher who interprets results, encourages students, and guides them with wisdom. Technology may show the what, but teachers give the why and how. This partnership makes learning stronger because AI handles routine tasks, while teachers concentrate on nurturing values, human growth. The claim that AI will take teachers' jobs is false. The fact is, AI makes teachers more effective by supporting their work. Teachers bring care, passion, and character. AI brings tools, speed, and precision. Together, they create the best of both worlds. The future of education is not man versus machine, but man with machine. Teachers remain the heart of learning, and AI is simply an assistant, helping them reach every learner better. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share with friends, parents, and teachers together. Let's keep shaping the future of education. See you in the next video.